on the fence.
Okay.
Not real stable otherwise. Okay, over the road, turning back.
Okay, I'm launching.
Okay, I'm lined up on the runway. I see you. Still see you. Get your thumb off of the rudder. There's not one there.
Let's slow down a little bit here. Oh, it's starting to rain.
Yeah,
Perfect.
of course.
You could probably see my exhaust.
Yeah.
Dave, can you see where you're going?
Just barely.
Shoot, it will rain. I can't even see mine.
Your head
I hate to tell you this, but
Yeah, I think
sprinkling again. Good night.
is it letting up?
Huh?
Yeah.
You got a landing gear on that?
I do. I don't have it down.
Oh, here it comes. And I'm not talking about airplanes.
Oh man.
You got your landing gear down?
No, I don't. I have to make one more pass. Gears down.
Oh, here it comes.
Hey, I can see it in the camera.
Can you?
You better land.
I'm coming around. I'm
Telling you.
I got a video of this.
man.
Nice landing.
Yeah.
I guarantee you're going to be wet.
That's the problem. You just never know. You know, is it going to keep raining? Is it going to stop? What is it going to do? Okay, I didn't even use flaps that time.